Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are good. Last time we studied about types of decimals. If you have not seen my video, please go and watch. I given link in the description box. It will be useful for you and subscribe my channel. Let's go to the topic. This is one of my favorite topic. Today's agenda which we are going to learn is straight and curved line, closed and open figure, polygon, different types of polygon, definition of quadrilateral, briefly explain about quadrilateral. So many objects are there that are exist around us. Observe these figures. Some objects have straight line like scale, box, book, pencil, and some have folded or we can say curved edges, curved lines which are not straight like coin, cylinder, pen, ball. If I draw on a paper, it will be a 2D shapes. Suppose if I draw a scale on paper, then compulsory I need to draw a straight line. There will be no curved line on scale. The type of shapes are called straight line. And coin, ball, which do not have straight line, that figures are called curved figures. Straight line nothing but which can extend it in both the directions. See other examples. These all figures have curved lines and straight lines. But here one more thing is there. That is, some figures are not totally closed. Some figures are open and some are closed. You must have noticed in above figures that is A and B begins and end at the same point. Such type of figures are called closed figure. But here C and F and some other shapes also is there that do not end at the starting point. Those figures are not closed. The type of figures are called open figure. See here one example. Starting and ending point both are not same. The ending point do not end at the starting point. So that figure is a open figure. Coming to next topic, that is polygon. The above closed and straight line figures that are called polygons. Figures which have straight lines and must be closed. The type of figures are called polygon. It means a simple closed figure formed with 3 or more line segment is called a polygon. I already explained about line segment. Please go and watch that video. You will get an idea. The line segment nothing but here sides which form a polygon are called its sides. Sides nothing but there is having 2 end points. We cannot extend beyond that. And vertices nothing but the point at which 2 sides of a polygon meet is called a vertex. The point, the dot, which we can say vertices or vertex. The plural of vertex is vertices. The polygon shown here has 4 sides and 4 vertices. There are different types of polygon based on the sides. If a polygon with 3 sides, that is called triangle. If a shape with 4 sides is called quadrilateral. The polygon with 5 sides called pentagon, 6 sides hexagon. Polygon with 7 sides are called heptagon and 8 sides are called octagon. These all different sides of shapes are called polygons. Those polygons have different names based on the sides. These all figures are simple and closed. Now we are going to learn here quadrilateral. Before we start learning about quadrilateral, you might be interested to know why do we need to study quadrilateral and how it will help. So let us try to connect with our day-to-day life. When we observe the objects which are exist around us, we can see some mathematical shapes. All of them have some shapes. For example, if you take a school objects or classroom objects like blackboard, chalk, duster, projector, bag, box, pencil, scale, box, big and small things, doors, windows, bench, and your house, chair, bed, kitchen items, things, outside school and house. If you have to build a house, building, then also we can see shapes. Those shapes are 2D shapes and objects and things are 3D objects. So here we are talking about shapes. Some objects have 4 side shapes. That type of shapes are called quadrilateral. Here, the word quadrilateral is derived from two Latin words, quad and latus. Quad nothing but four, latus nothing but sides. It means four-sided shape. In the name itself, we can easily say that quadrilateral nothing but four-sided shapes. See the shapes? It means only four-sided figures which comes under quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a figure with four straight sides which meet at four vertices with different length and sides. It's a simple closed figure with four sides, four angles and four vertices. I already explained about sides, angles, line segments in my other video. If you are not seen that video, please go and watch. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel. Tap the bell icon button to get the notification so that you can see my every single video. How quadrilateral is looking and what is common among them, let's briefly learn about it. See here a simple figure. I give a name A, B, C, D. It means we can say quadrilateral A, B, C, D. See the vertices of the quadrilateral A, B, C, D is A, B, C, D. The points we have to take. I given names to that point. Now come to the sides. What are the sides of this quadrilateral A, B, C, D? That is A, B, B, C, C, D and D. Four sides are there. Now coming to the angles. Wherever the two sides will meet, there you will get a point. Here four angles are there. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Here we need to find out the pairs of adjacent sides. The two sides of a quadrilateral which have a common vertex. We need to find out the sides which have a common vertex, common point. Take AB and BC sides have the same point, that is B. Now like that only BC, CD. Here also C is a common point. Now next two sides are CD and DA. Here also D is a common point. The other two sides are DA and AB. Here also the same. A is a common point in both the sides. This form a pair of adjacent sides. Coming to the next opposite sides. In a quadrilateral ABCD, AB and CD make one pair of opposite sides. It means AB is opposite to CD and BC is opposite to AD, which doesn't have a common vertex. This side opposite to each other. Next coming to the angles, adjacent angles. Two angles of a quadrilateral are called adjacent angle if they have a common side. We need to find out the sides. Common side, same side. Take angle ABC and BCD. Here in angle ABC, AB and BC are two sides. In another angle BCD, we'll get also two sides there, BC and CD. We need to find out the common side. Here BC is common among these two angles. So these angles form a pair of adjacent angle. Next is opposite angle. Two angles of a quadrilateral ABCD are called opposite angle if they doesn't have common side. In the name itself we can say opposite means two angles are opposite to each other. See, take angle ABC and CDA. Both are opposite. In angle ABC, two sides will be there, AB and BC, and CDA angle CDDA. Two sides are there. Here we took angle B and angle D. So there is no common side AB, BC, CD, DA. Four sides are different. There is no common, there is no same side in both the angles. So angle ABC, angle CDA forms a pair of opposite angle. Now here one question for you. Can you tell the another pair of opposite angle? Please write in comment box. Come to the diagonal. The line segments joining are the non-consecutive vertices. The opposite vertices of a quadrilateral are called diagonals. Diagonal is nothing but a line joining to the two opposite vertices, two opposite points. Suppose Here A, B, C, D, quadrilateral A, B, C, D is there. A and C is opposite to each other. B and D is opposite to each other. It means opposite points, opposite vertex. When we join these opposite vertices A, C and B, D, those lines are called diagonals. AC and BD are two diagonals here. I hope you understood this topic. Please subscribe my channel.